Hello students, today I'll explain applications of resonance. See, by using resonance, we can predict the stability of carbocations, stability of carbanions, stability of free radicals, and we can predict the acidic nature of phenols and acidic nature of aromatic carboxylic acids and the basic nature of amines. Okay, now let us see first one, stability of carbocations. So we know carbocations are electron deficient species. So plus M groups increases the stability of carbocations and minus M groups decreases the stability of carbocations. Plus M groups increases stability of carbocations and minus M groups decreases stability of carbocations. Now let us see some examples. Now if we compare the stability order, third one is more stable than second one and second one is more stable than first one. See the reason, in third one and in second one, lone pair of electrons are transferred to carbocation. See here, donation of lone pairs takes place. In case of one, donation of bond pairs takes place. So this is a late process. That is why this is least stable compared to 2 and 3. Okay, and if we compare 2 and 3, which is a more stable one? See, third one is more stable because nitrogen is less electronegative atom. It can give its pair of electron easily to carbocation. That's why 3 is more stable than 2, 2 is more stable than 1. Okay, now let us see second example. If you see the stability order, 1 is more stable than 3, 3 is more stable than 2. In first one, resonance is present. Resonance or mesomeric effect is present. In second one, minus I effect is present. In third one, no minus I groups and no plus R groups are present. So first one is more stable because of resonance. Here oxygen with lone pair is present adjacent to carbocation, so it acts as a plus one group. In second one, minus I group is present. It destabilizes the carbocation by withdrawing electrons from the carbocation. That's why this is least stable. First one is more stable. Okay, and total order is 1, 3, 2. Let us see some other examples. See, if you compare the stability order, see 1 is more stable than 3, 3 is more stable than 2, and 2 is more stable than 4. What is the reason for that? See here, aromatic nature is present. This is tropylium carbocation. Because of aromatic character, this is more stable compared to others. While as 2 and 3, this is benzene ring here. More number of resonating structures are possible for this. That's why this is more stable after first one. And because of resonance, second one is more stable. Okay. Then last one. Because in last one there is no resonance effect, only hyperconjugation is present. So the overall stability order is 1, 3, 2 and 4. And let us see stability order of benzyl carbocations. See, stability order is 1, 2, 3. What is the reason? If we observe the bond strength CH, CD and CT, see CH bond strength is very less. Means we can cut the bond easily, CH bond easily. So donation is here very easy compared to second and third cases. CH bond strength is less, so we can cut this bond easily, we can cleave this bond easily. Then electrons move the carbocation through the benzene ring readily as compared to 2 and 3. Okay, based on the bond strength. Okay, bond dissociation energy, it requires low bond dissociation energy, right? If we take similar groups in meta positions, now which is more stable one? 3 is more stable than 2 is more stable than 1. See the difference. In fourth one, first one is more stable than second one is more stable than third one. But here third one is more stable because this methyl group is present in methyl group and deuteromethyl and deuteromethyl groups are present in meta position. In meta position, hyperconjugation do not works or resonance do not works. We consider only plus psi effect. Okay. Consider only plus psi and plus psi. So which is having more plus psi power? See, plus psi order. Top to bottom, plus psi decreases. So deuterium has more plus psi power. Least plus psi power. So because of more plus psi power, so CT3 is act as more donating group. So stability order is 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now let us consider another example. And 10th one, one and two only. Now let us discuss the stability order. Coming to sixth one, first of all write total effects. Which effects are present? You write all the effects, right? Here plus m group is present, right? Plus m is present, and minus I, yes, minus E is present. So give tick mark. Now coming to second one, plus m group is present, plus m group is opposite because donating group plus m group is present in meta position. When one particular group either plus m or minus m group is present in meta position, it do not works. Okay, but its minus I effect is present. Okay, now coming to third one, plus m is present and minus A is present. Now let us see the stability order, which is more stable. Of course, this is least stable because plus m group is absent. Okay, so we can filter it. So coming to 1 and 3, which is more stable. See, plus m effect is same in two cases. Okay, whether group is present in ortho position or para position, its plus m effect is same. Okay, so based on plus m effect, we cannot predict the stability of carbocations. Based on the minus I effect, we can predict the stability of carbocation in this case, because plus m is same in two cases. So based on the minus I effect, we can predict the stability. See here, I already told you every plus m group also has minus I effect. So here we can consider OH as minus I group. Okay, here also OH as minus I group. Here minus I group is very close to carbocation, so it destabilizes the carbocation more and more. It decreases the stability. Here minus I group is far away from the carbocation, so it is most stable compared to first one. So what is the stability order? Third one is more stable than first one, is more stable than second one. Why second one is least stable? Overall plus m effect is absent, plus m group is absent, right? Okay, coming to seventh problem. See the stability order, 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. See what is the reason? See, in methyl group 3 alpha hydrogens are present. We can write methyl group like this. So 3 hyperconjugated structures are possible. So more is the number of hyperconjugated structures, more will be the stability. Here see, this is alpha carbon. It is having only 2 alpha hydrogens. So it has 2 hyperconjugated structures. It has only one alpha hydrogen, one hyperconjugated structure. Here 2 hyperconjugated structures, 2 alpha hydrogens, 2 hyperconjugated structures. Here 3 hyperconjugated structures. The more is the number of hyperconjugated structures, more will be the stability. So 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3. Okay. If we attach halogens to benzyl carbocation, we can consider minus I order here. Okay, which is having more minus I power. In each case, we can consider minus I, and minus I. So which is having more minus I power? This is having more minus I power. So it is least stable compared to last one. So the stability order is 1 is greater than, 4 is greater than, 3 is greater than, 2 is greater than 1. Here we consider minus I power of halogens. Fluorine is strong withdrawing group. It destabilizes the carbocation more and more. So fourth one is more stable because iodine is least minus I group. Okay, compared to halogens. In all halogens, iodine has least minus I power. So iodine is more stable. Coming to ninth one. So here stability order. Any guess? See, nitrogen and oxygen. Which is more electronegative? Oxygen is more electronegative. So nitrogen can donate the pair of electrons easily to benzene ring and to the carbocation. as compared to oxygen atom. Okay, so between these two, nitrogen act as a good donating group because of its less electronegativity. So first one is more stable compared to 2. 1 and 2, which is more stable, first one is more stable. So coming to CH3. CH3 also act as a plus M group through hyperconjugation. See how it donate electrons. See here bond pair of electrons move towards carbocation. That is important. Here non-bonding electrons, free electrons are moving towards carbocation. So which is easy one? So donation of free electrons is easy compared to bonded electrons. So this is least stable compared to 1 and 2. Okay, and this one is least stable among all because it has no plus M group. So what is the overall stability order? 1 is more stable than, 2 is more stable than, 3 is more stable than 4. What is the reason? Nitrogen, because of its less electronegativity, it can donate the pair of electrons easily. Here oxygen, because of presence of lone pair of electrons, donate electrons. And this is methyl group, act as a donating group by hyperconjugation. Okay. Now consider 10th one. So 1 and 2, which is more stable? See, tricyclopropyl methyl carbocation is more stable carbocation among all carbocations because of dancing resonance. Okay, tricyclopropyl methyl carbocation is very stable carbocation than the remaining carbocations. So second one is more stable than first one. Okay. Now let us see some previous questions based on the stabilities of carbocations. Previous question. Which of the following molecule readily reacts with AgCl solution and forms precipitate? Can you predict based on the stabilities of carbocations? This is previous year question. Which of the following molecule readily reacts with AgCl solution and forms precipitate? See here halogen is present in every case. Okay, when halogen come out as Cl minus, sorry now here it is AgNO3 solution, small correction, that means AgNO3 solution. Okay, when Cl minus comes out, it combines with Ag plus and forms AgCl precipitate. Okay. Now, which of the following molecule readily loses Cl minus ion? That depends upon the stability of the carbocation. For example, if it loses its Cl minus or Cl, it will form carbocation like this. If it loses Cl, forms carbocation like this. If it loses carbocation. Now, based on the stability of carbocations, we can predict the reactivity. Okay, now tell me which is more stable carbocation among all. See, here resonance is present. So here also resonance is present. Here lone pair of electrons will move towards carbocation. So this is more stable carbocation. So it can form precipitate with AgNO3 solution easily or readily. This is more stable carbocation. In two cases resonance is present. But here lone pair reaches carbocation. Donation of lone pair is compared to bond pair of electrons. Okay. In these cases, this is having minus I group and this is also having minus I group. These are least stable carbocations. These do not react with AgNO3 solution. Both will react with AgNO3 solution, but second option, second molecule reacts quickly with the AgNO3 solution. Okay. Similarly, let us take another example. Same question. Which of the following molecule readily reacts with AgNO3 solution and forms silver chloride precipitate or silver bromide precipitate easily? See, observe here, after removing halogen, write carbocation and observe its stability. Okay. Now, which is most stable carbocation? Coming to first one, here lone pair participate in resonance, so it do not stabilize as the carbocation. Moreover, carbocation is far away from donating group, so it is least stable carbocation. Here carbocation is present adjacent to nitrogen atom having lone pairs only, but this lone pair participate in resonance stabilizes less. So this is also less stable carbocation. In C and D cases, there is no resonance. Here free electrons are present. Free electrons are present. So they can donate their electrons easily to carbocation. We know among C and D, which is more stable carbocation? C is more stable carbocation because nitrogen is less electronegative atom. It can donate its pair of electrons easily. So it forms more stable carbocation and this compound readily reacts with AgNO3 solution. Okay, in the next session we will discuss acidic nature of phenols, carboxylic acids and etc. Okay, see you.